everybody. My name is Devkota with the Devkota Law Firm, here to answer questions that have been proposed and propounded to me over the years. I try to select answers for questions that are repetitive, that pop up all the time. One question that I get a bunch, and to me, it's pretty obvious because it's what I do for a living, but is, what is a personal injury case? What are the different types of PI accidents, personal injury accidents? You know, when I get that question, whether it be at dinner or from a client or something, there's just no way to really state how many different types of personal injury accidents are out there. I think the most common one that people are aware of are automobile accidents, right? You see the ads on TV, you see guys hyper-focused on just automobile accidents. If you've been hurt in a wreck and want to check, call Jim Bob, right? I mean, okay, that's pretty typical stuff out there, and that's what people think is a personal injury lawyer and what personal injuries do. Personal injury lawyers do. But really what we do is much broader than that. Personal injury accidents can be anywhere from a toxic tort, exposure to chemicals, toxic chemicals that you've been provided by the government from your workplace. Personal injury cases could be dog bite cases or other wild animals that people use, keep as pets, and even hurt on a premises. Premises liability cases where you are at a business and you are a business invitee, or even someone's home in which there's a latent defect in the property and you get hurt. Medical negligence. You might possibly be harmed while in a hospital and a doctor, dentist, podiatrist, physical therapist, or anybody else in the healing arts harmed you and breached the standard of care and you became injured. These are all PI cases. The cases go on and on and on. You may go to a pharmacy and be given the wrong medication, and that medication contraindicates with something else you took, and you have a serious reaction. You might be given an overdose or the wrong pills altogether. These are all real life cases that have come through our office, and these are just the ones right off the top of my head. It's not like I prepared a long time for this. I'm doing this impromptu. But the list of cases and weird cases in which people are harmed go on and on and on. RV accidents, boating accidents, motorcycle accidents. I mean, something slipping off the roof of a building and landing on top of somebody's head while they're just walking down the sidewalk on a construction defect case. I mean, the amounts of ways that people can be harmed is unbelievable. And believe me, with all that in my head, everywhere I go, I'm thinking about the danger that's around. Unfortunately, I have to carry that in my head because of what I do for a living. But if you have been subject to any type of injury whatsoever, in any situation, and you want to know that this is an evaluation that's credible, call me. I've been doing this for a long time. At the time of this taping of this video right here, we don't even tape video anymore. That's how old I've been doing this thing. It's digital. But from the time we've been filming this to the time I started, it's been over 23 years. You might be watching this video later and it'll be even more than that. And in those amount of years, I've seen every type of accident, and I know what it takes to get that accident to a claim that is successful for the highest and maximum recovery. So if you don't know if you have a PI case or not, call me. I'll tell you if you have one or not. We evaluate hundreds of cases a year, and not all of them are good. And some of them are bad. But some of them are excellent, and some are average. But either way, I'll shoot you straight, and I'll tell you the truth, and we'll make sure that whatever happens, I'll turn some lemons into lemonade for you. Call me. I'm Tarek Devkota, the Devkota Law Firm, attorney. I'll look to see you in the future. Call me if you need my help. Thank you very much.
For over 21 years, the Devkota Law Firm has represented the vulnerable communities in the Kansas metro area with personal injury, motor vehicle accidents, workers' compensation, medical negligence, and representation in court.